76%. These all point at us having a red day to close out the week. Now, there's always a possibility that it could go down and spike back up, similar to what it did on Wednesday. But, we'll have to have some form of positive catalyst in that, some form of positive catalyst. None of our movers changed, so we kind of know what we're looking at for the day. We got FedEx in the green. If we want to jump in there, I told you we know our price target, but if you want to get some skin in the game, you can do that. You can always get some skin in the game. Ford came down a little bit. Ford's been a major move this year. Ford's came down a little bit, so do our research and see if that's one we want to get into. All right, let's see if we got any good articles. Stock futures are down. They're selling the tech stocks continue. That's the one we looked at last night. Stock market news live. Okay, we got one. Tech stocks set for further losses on rate rise worries. 1 hour ago. Yep, that's the bad news we're looking for. Tech stocks set for further losses on rate rise worries. Oil prices in European and Asian stock indices fall. Stock futures pause while technology companies look set for further losses as investors assess the potential impact on inflation and growth from policy shifts by the world's largest central banks. Let me check the date on this. Is there a date on here? Yep, it's updated. So that makes me curious if it was okay. I think it might have been posted on December 17th, but we want to be sure we're not looking at old news that, remember again, create that FUD, that fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So, according to this, though, some of the tech companies that we're in and some of the other stocks that we're in, we're looking for some red days. Futures tied to the S&P 500 is down 0.3%. NASDAQ fell 0.7%. I just reviewed all of that. And that's pretty much it. I think I don't pay for this, so we probably have to pay for more. But looks like the news is telling us, hey, be careful. Hey, be careful. Be wise with your money. Tech sell off. So no other really real news aside from what we already know. So let's check out our stock heat map. Check out our stock heat map. See what they got for us today already. Which again, we did a pretty good review last night. We spent some time in this thing. Looks like Apple may have come down some more. So we're not seeing anything good today. Probably around lunchtime, we maybe find some time to go live in the market. Still, if you guys have any questions or curious about any of these companies or any of these ticker symbols you want to get into, let me know. But yeah, we might go live today, depending on how the market how it settles down. It'll probably be after lunch today, and we'll go from there. See what we can find. But it's Friday. I usually tend to either sell or hang out on Fridays because, again, I think I told y'all, Friday traditionally is a day where people start selling off because they don't want to go into the weekend holding their stocks. Now, they're short-term investors. They usually sell off on Fridays because they don't want to go into the weekend holding stock and risk losing money on Friday because you got to hold through the weekend. The markets are closed on the weekend for those of you who are new and didn't know. So most short sellers, they try and sell off on Friday close to the end of the day or early in the morning when the volatility is high. They try and take their profits out of there and get on down. So oftentimes you'll see prices come down on Friday. And then, if there's any bad news on Saturday in regards to the market, if you didn't sell off, you left holding. I myself, I try and trade in the positive, try and trade long term. So I don't sell off on Fridays unless, again, if a stock gets to my price point, I'm out of there. But yeah. So let's see. We're gonna check out our crypto heat map. There we go. jump in. I'll be posting it. If y'all see anything, if y'all have any questions, feel free to hit my inbox or comment or something, and I'll go take a look at it as well. Y'all have a good day and good luck.